The NVIDIA Shield versus the rest, who wins? You're about to find out next. Once again, very appreciative of you guys. If you're new, go below and subscribe, hit the little bell to be alerted of all my videos. Who wins and why do I pick NVIDIA Shield, or why should we pick anything else? I'm about to show you. First of all, let me give you guys respect. The NVIDIA Shield packs a punch. It has a Tegra X1 processor, a Tegra 1X processor, not bad for what, a stick we want to call this. 256 core NVIDIA GPU. Dolby Atmos Digital Plus, 2 gigabytes of RAM. 2 gigabytes of RAM is more than what you need. I mean, it really is, especially if you're just streaming certain applications. 8 gigabytes of storage, a micro SD slot expandability. Now remember guys, you can expand this, so if you needed more memory, you can expand it. This is not an issue. Dual band Wi-Fi, 1 gigabyte of Ethernet. Now the gigabyte, that is big in my book, okay, for your Ethernet. Super fast speed, and Bluetooth 5.0. Now let me show you a quick little unbox, what comes inside of it. So this unboxing is a simple one. This is what you get. A cylinder. And check that out. You're gonna plug in your power adapter, your Ethernet cable right here. Now we turn this back around and you have a memory slot and you have your HDMI and you have a memory slot, okay, for your expandable memory. This is made pretty good. I don't know if it's like a hard plastic, a metal cylinder, but it's not. It's a plastic. All this. The remote, I like the design. But check that design out. That's not bad, okay? You got you can speak, your volume, your Netflix, if you want to hit your Netflix automatically. What I wish they carried, like the other NVIDIA Shield does, is an actual jack in the bottom with the remote. You can listen to it on your headphone and your wife or brother, sister, mother, whatever will not bother you. That's the only downfall that I see with this NVIDIA Shield. Obviously you get the power adapter. That's about it. It's very simple. So there you go. There you have it. What do you think about this little puppy? I think it's not bad. I like the setup. You can't go wrong. Now if it was me, I would probably go with a smaller one. If they could have made one like the stick, I guess because of the specs. You can sit it back behind your TV. A lot of people ask me, well, how do you do that? Well, there's many ways. You can put a piece of Velcro here in the back, Velcro back of your TV, and just strap it back like that. That's one way. That way you don't show it. I don't know. Anybody has an opinion, please comment below. So it's that simple, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. You know how we do here, guys. This is Anything Android, and what? Keep it Android for life.